Okay, in here I want to introduce about how to use Snort for intrusion detection system. And here I use Kali Linux, and for the we must install Snort here with the download link snort.org. I use Linux, so we get in here. Okay, and if and you must to be install libtk, and the download link is in here. Okay, and here I I just installed the Snort. Snort, just Snort. Here I actually have Snort. Okay, first. Okay, first of all, we go to the directory of the Snort config to configure the alerts. In here, cd etc Snort, and then we have arrow, and row. This is the row for the for the intrusion detection system, and we have alerts.com. Okay, and here and the second you must to be at this alert.row, and then here alert is cmp any home data any message someone is winning. So if any hacker ping you and your computer or server will be message someone is pinging. And the second, if the hacker does your server your web server or server, and the message will be possible TCP DOS. Be careful. Okay, exit this, and we here okay, see us, and we must be configure this with the list pad snort.config. Okay, we use this is for the IP address, and my IP address is this is I use VLAN 0 is 192.168.43.31, and this is for the home net, and I include the alerts in here, public roles. Okay, we start the VM to be a hacker. power on. Okay. Um, I'm sorry, I will comment this one. Exit save. Okay, and then we log in the VPN with proof. And we remember the we stop the snort tutorial. Okay, just stop it. Start it, and the hacker will be pinged. Okay, ping this one. This is for the IP address of the server. Okay, we ping, and then we have the reply of the snort document. Okay, we stop it, and we clear, and I want to DOS, and the hacker will be and source with the IP address of the and we port it. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot something. Okay, and then the smart will be message. The connection is detected as MPEG request TCP and minimal. Okay, and I want to use hyphen 3 to this for the source of and the port number is 50. This is of the DOS. This is the DOS, and the priority is 2. If the priority is decreased, this is the danger of your web server. So I want to close the DOS, and I just use a server with the name of welcome. Okay, connection reviews, and then this is SSL connection is detected. So if you want to be this is the how to configure the Snort, and this is usually for your web server. If any hacker attack your web server, you will be have this message in your email. Okay, thank you for me, and see you next.